add multiple image upload option in Shopify. Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a simple process on how to allow customers to upload one or multiple files like image on your Shopify store. Don't worry, if you are using the free theme Shopify like Down, Spotlight or any free theme Shopify, then this video is for you. And make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to create the same multiple image upload option on your Shopify product with the copy paste method. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify account. After creating your Shopify and verify it with your email address or phone number, then go directly to product, because there is no multiple or upload option in Shopify without adding to product. Then guys, after adding and creating a product on your Shopify, then go directly to online store. Then guys, make sure to select and complete all this process to be able to create a multiple image upload option. Then guys, I prefer to choose the Down theme because it's easy to use for a beginners or a professionals on Shopify. Then guys, hit on customize first. Then guys, you need to customize first your Shopify store. Then guys, on the top, hit on home page. Then guys, hit on product. As you see guys, this section there, if you don't have a product on your Shopify, this section is not available on your Shopify store. Then guys, hit on create a template. First guys, you need to name a template, for example custom 00 for example. Then the base it on product and create a template. Then guys, after creating a template, go back to your product section, then select which product that you want to use this option, the upload option. Then for example this product, then open the product. Guys, it's easy guys to create a multiple image upload option. Then scroll down guys to theme template section. Then first you need to select the custom or the template that you are created. Then after select the custom 00 for example, then on the top hit on save. Then guys, it's very easy. Then guys, go back to your online store. After creating and adding and selecting the new template, then guys, go directly to the three dots, then hit on three dots. Then guys, you need to duplicate the theme. Then guys, wait a few seconds to duplicate the theme. These themes are only visible to you. You can switch to another theme by publishing it on your store. After customizing the theme, then in the last we can publish it and make it the main theme. Then guys, wait a few seconds to copy the theme. As you see guys, the theme was duplicated. Then guys, first you need to hit on customize. It's very easy guys to create a duplicate theme. Then guys, first go back and hit on home page on the top, then scroll down to product section, then select the template that you are created, custom 00 for example. Then guys, this is the product. Then we need to add the upload option in Shopify in our product. Then guys, go directly and hit on add a block on the bottom and select add a block. As you see guys, add a block. Then guys, go directly to custom liquid, then hit on custom liquid. As you see guys, this is the custom liquid was added successfully. Then double click on custom liquid, it's take you directly to liquid code. Then guys, you need to add a code. Then on the description I will leave you the code to copy. Just copy the code or all the code and paste it. Then copy the code, I will leave in description on this video. Then paste the code guys, it's very easy guys. Then on the top hit on save. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, the upload option was added successfully to your product, but I prefer to make upload files in the top. Then guys, go back and just take a simple process to make the upload section or upload option on the top by clicking on the custom liquid and drag it on the top, for example like this. As you see guys, the upload sections was added on the top. Then you can easily customize it, which the place, for example, you can under title, for example. As you see guys, it's good for this product, but I prefer to if you have buy it now, you can easily remove it and unselect it. Then guys, after creating your upload files, then on the top hit on save. As you see guys, it's very easy to create the upload files. Then guys, after creating and save the publish, go back, then we show you how to make it the main template. Then guys, first you need to publish and hit on publish. Then wait a few seconds, again click on publish. Now your multiple image upload option was added to your product. Then hit on this, for example, go directly to product section. This is the product. Then hit on preview on online store, and guys, it's take you directly to the product. As you see guys, the upload files was added successfully to your product, and you can use the same process with all your product on your Shopify store. Then guys, if you want to add the product, as you see guys, this is the easy method to upload files. Just hit on upload files, then you can easily select which files or which image, then hit on open. Then there is one image was uploaded. Then if you want to add or upload multiple image, then hit on upload and select more or how many pictures that you want. Then as you see guys, the picture was added successfully. Then you can easily hit on buy it now or add to cart. It's take you directly to card section. As you see guys, the item was added to your card section. Then hit view card. As you see guys, this is the view card. You can hit and check out your product. As you see guys, this is the easy method to upload and add multiple image upload option in Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.